In this video, we're going to go over how to evaluate expressions using order of operations, or PEMDAS. So if I were to ask you to find the answer to 3 times, in brackets, 4 plus 2, how would you do that? Well, I want you to remember PEMDAS. So PEMDAS. And that stands for parentheses, which are brackets, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and then subtraction. So what that means is that we are going to do the operations in that order. So as you can see here, we have brackets. So we're going to do what's inside the brackets first. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And that means that we can rewrite this as 3 times 6. And now 3 times 6 is equal to 18. So that means that our final answer is 18. Now let's try another problem. If I were to ask you to find the answer to 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 4, how would you do that? Well, once again, I want you to remember PEMDAS. So here we don't have any parentheses or any brackets, so we have nothing there, but we do have an exponent. So we're going to do that exponent first. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So we can rewrite the expression as 4 plus 3 times 4. Now we have addition and multiplication. Which comes first? Multiplication comes first. So we need to multiply these two first before we add anything. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12, and we can rewrite this as 4 plus 12. And now 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. And that's our final answer. Now let's try one more problem, but this time pause the video and try it on your own first. But if I were to ask you to solve for 20 divided by 5 plus 2, how would you do that? Well, once again, we can write PEMDAS at the top. Now we don't have any parentheses, we don't have any exponents, and we don't have any multiplication, but we have division. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4, and then we can add the 2 onto the end, and then 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So a common mistake that students will make is that they'll just do every problem from left to right. You can't do that. You have to follow the PEMDAS order. And I want you to remember that multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction, they're both equal. So if you have a multiplication and a division expression, or an addition and a subtraction expression, the one you do first is the one that's furthest on the left. But they're both equal. I hope this video helped. Thank you.